Hello friends, welcome to my new video, and today we are going to talk about Hex Bug Nano V2. This is the toy. It's a tiny toy. You can see it's going to vibrate if I switch it on. It started to vibrate and it will move also. It's vibrating. It's vibrating. Now let's see the bug's performance inside the track. He is switching it on. Is inserting it. And is closing the track. Will it rise? Will it climb like this? No. It is available in Indian market also, in Flipkart or in Amazon. You can buy it, and I have bought it in Thailand for rupees 700 in Indian rupees value, including this track and then this Hex Bug Nano V2 version. It's fun to use. It's a fun to use. You can just prank with your friends, like you can just switch it on and then you can just this shirt. Vishnu. So the new people will be get afraid. Yeah, it looks like a bug. Electronic bug.
Electronic bug.